The simple trick to becoming friends with anyone is simply being interested in them. Many times the reason why you find yourself struggling to make good, lasting friendship with people who will stand by you through both difficult and beautiful times is because you show no interest in them. The truth is, you can become friends with anybody in 2 months if you show them you care. This simple tip can save you 2 years of stressing yourself to get people to like you, because people are not interested in you or me, but themselves. Morning, afternoon, and night. They've got issues to solve or things to do. And if you doubt this, let's check this. When you see a group photograph that you're in, whose photo do you look for first? You. Even Alfred Adler wrote in his book titled, "What Life Should Mean to You," that the person who isn't interested in other people have and face great difficulties in life alone and causes the greatest injury to others. Do things for people that require your time, energy, thoughtfulness, and unselfishness. Don't be afraid to show people the good, intelligent, kind, caring, and loving you. Plus, you can win the attention, time, and cooperation of any person with this tip. It works for your social life, parenting, relationship, business, academics, career, and even family. So when next you meet people, smile cheerfully at them, greet people, genuinely compliment them, appreciate people for the little things they do, call or text people with an exciting tone, talk about their interests, give them gifts, and you'll definitely win them over. Don't forget to like, click the notification bell, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos on topics that will make you thrive. This is ThriveKulture.